डाऊट असतो की बाबा तू नक्की कुठे आहे. ते म्हणजे नेहमी माझ्या ते डाऊट प्रेक्षकांना पण आहे की तुम्ही नक्की कुठे आहात. Hello everyone, how is everybody doing? I am so excited to see you all. Welcome back everyone. Come on, keep on joining and type your names in the chat box. Can everybody type their names in the chat box? I am so happy. I welcome you all to the episode 2 of English Wonderland. Do you all remember our previous session was based everything on what you know? Yes, can we have everybody? Come on, I'll wait for a few seconds. Keep on typing your names, everyone.
In the comment box.
Perfect. Keep on joining. Tell your friends to join. Okay, I see a good set of students now. So, what do you see written on your screen? What is it there? Yes, it's written explore the joy of the English language through interactive activities and engaging discussions. You'll remember in our previous session, we did everything that was interactive and everything that was engaging. Yes or no? We discussed about so many things. We did so many activities. Yes, today as well, I bring to you a set of different and interesting activities that you all are going to love. All right? Can we wait for like 5 more seconds to everybody join? Okay, perfect. Keep on typing your names, okay? Don't stop typing your names. And if you're new here, don't forget to type your name and also your school's name if possible. Well done, students. Let's get ready to have fun and learn something new along the way. So, before we kick things off with a classic word association game. So, can you look at your screen? Association game. What does the word association mean? What do you think it is? What is the word association? Yes, that means something that is related. Now, this activity means that I'm going to say a word and you have to type the first word that comes to your mind related to that word. Alright? I repeat, I'm going to say a word and then it's going to come on your screen as well. You have to look at the word and the first thing or the first word that comes to your mind, looking at that word, you have to write those words in the chat box. Are we ready? Once we start playing, I think everybody will get a kick of it. Let's begin. So your first word is summer.
Summer is an association word means what? मराठीमध्ये पण सांगते आणि हिंदीमध्ये पण सांगते. पहले हिंदी फिर मराठी. अभी आपको समर, ये जो समर आपको दिख रहा है ना, उस वो थिंक करने के बाद आपको क्या क्या ये सूझता है, जैसे कि विचार बोलने को आते हैं. जैसे कि अभी समर आ रहा है, मैं आइसक्रीम खाऊंगी या फिर खाऊंगा. वैसे आपको क्या क्या याद है? थिंग्स, थ्रॉड. तो जल्दी से ये सब कमेंट कर दो चैट बॉक्स में. ओके, कम ऑन फास्ट, हरी अप.
Keep on typing, everyone. Keep on typing. Whatever is the first word that comes in your mind, reading summer, I want you to type.
हाँ, मतलब जब आप समर को पढ़ते हैं तो आपके जेव्हा आपण समरला हे वाचतो तेव्हा आपला विचार काय येतो की आज मी आईस्क्रीम खाणार, आज सण खूप आहे, आज खूप गरमी होते. तसं कुठला शब्द आहे समरच्या इथं तुम्हाला नाही माहीत? ओके, मी थोड्या वेळाने सांगते.
Keep on typing, everyone. What do you think relates to summer? Come on. Recollect all the words that are associated with summer.
असोसिएटेड म्हणजे काय माहिती आहे? वेट, असोसिएशन म्हणजे काय? जसं समर म्हणजे सन, हॉट, पूल, स्विमिंग, आईस्क्रीम असं या फिर आईस असं जर आपल्याला शब्द आले ना समरच्या बारामध्ये तर त्याला असोसिएशन वर्ड असे म्हणले जातात.
Keep on typing, everyone. Well done. I can see a lot of words on your screen, on my screen. Yes, see, ice cream. Well done. Keep on typing. What are more such words? If you remember. Well done, students. Now I'm going to show you a set of words, and everybody has to write those words in the chat box. Okay? Do you see these words in your screen? Yes. So let's read out all these words, and you have to type in these words.
अभी ये जो सारे वर्ड्स है वो आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखना है. यू गिव हॅव अ 5 सेकंड. हे तुम्हाला जे वर्ड्स दिसतात आहे वाक्य नाही शब्द ते तुम्हाला कॉमेंट बॉक्समध्ये लिहायचे आहेत. तर पटापटा लिहून घ्या. चला 1 तुम्हाला मी 5-10 सेकंड देते. चला 1 2 3 6 7 8
You have
Now,
to type in these words in the
Daha.
chat box without fear. Are you all ready? Let's go. Sun. Come on, type sun in the chat box. Hot. Pool. Swim. Fun. Sand. Wave. Sea. Bike. Mango. Vacation. Ice cream or ice. Okay?
सन म्हणजे सूर्य. सन मतलब सूर्य. हॉट मतलब गर्मी. हॉट म्हणजे गर्मी. पूल म्हणजे तलाव. पूल मतलब तलाव. स्विम म्हणजे पवने. स्विम मतलब स्विम करना उसमें. हाँ अभी मैं कहती सैंड. सैंड मतलब रेत. वे मतलब गुफा. सी मतलब समुंदर. बी मतलब बाइक. मैंगो मतलब आम. वैकेशन मतलब छुट्टी. आइस और आईस्क्रीम मतलब आइस मतलब बर्फ. आईस्क्रीम मतलब जो आपको खाते हैं वो. आता मी मराठीत सांगते. सन म्हणजे सूर्य. हॉट म्हणजे गरमी. पूल म्हणजे तलाव. स्विम म्हणजे पवने. फन म्हणजे मजा. सँड म्हणजे माती. गेव म्हणजे गुफा. सी म्हणजे समुंदर नदी. बाइक मतलब वाहतूक. मैंगो मतलब अम्मा. व्हाट बोल बोल. हाँ हाँ मँगो म्हणजे आंबा. वॅकेशन्स म्हणजे सुट्टी. आईस म्हणजे बर्फ. आणि आईस्क्रीम पण येतं म्हणजे जे आपण खात होते. ओके हे मी तुम्हाला समजवते पण आहे कारण की एवढं तुम्हाला इंग्लिश येतं ते नाही येत ते मी 3 व्हिडिओजमध्ये बघितलं आहे.
Ice cream or ice. Okay, so these are all the words that are related to summer, right? Come on, everybody, take 5 more seconds and read out all these words on your screen quickly. Read out these words, make a note of it, so the next time you start speaking English with your friends or your family, you could use these words in your sentences, right? Come on, have you read it? Well
hot,
done, everyone. Now
pull,
let's move on to the next
swim.
It is adventure. What is it? Adventure. So the first word that comes in your mind that relates to adventure, that is associated with adventure, I want you all to type in the chat box. Any word that comes in your mind if you think of adventure. What do you think? Come on, keep on typing, everyone. Perfect. Yes, Hunt is a very good word. Good job, everyone. Good job, students. Travel. Perfect. I'll give you 5 more seconds to write in all the words that you think of. Come on, everyone. Keep on typing. Now I'll show you the set of words on your screen and you have to type them in the chat box and also make a note of it, okay? And don't forget to read along with me. Trip, explore, travel, journey, hike, camp, hunt, trail, wild, brave, climb, sail. Has everybody written all these words in the chat box and also made a note of it? Students, I am already proud of you.
हा आता बघा ट्रिप म्हणजे सुट्टीच असते आणि वेकेशन्स पण याला म्हणतात पण सुट्टी आणि वेकेशन्सला मिळून ट्रिप होतं ते ॲडव्हान्टेज वर्ड्स आहे हे तुम्हाला पाठ करायचे आहेत कारण की हे कुठल्या पण सेंटेन्समध्ये येतात नाही आहेत कुठल्या पण सेंटेन्समध्ये येतात पण नाही आहेत ट्रिप ट्रॅव्हल आणि जर्नी हेच येतात ओके वाईन स्नेल कॅप हे नाही आहेत जर आले तर मला कॉमेंट म्हणून नक्की सांगा तर पहिलं आहे बिग ट्रिप एक्सप्लोर ट्रॅव्हल जर्नी आपण म्हणतो ना हॅपी जर्नी त्याच्यात हे जर्नी शब्द येतो हाईक हाईक द बाईक म्हणजे कॅम्प आता तो कॅम्पला चालला असं अभी तो कॅम्प पे जा रहा है नाव
And boss and also
hot wine brave climb flint this is the adventure words 17 मिनिट थांब
made a note of it? Well done, students. I am already proud of you. Come on, let's see the next word. Mystery. Now, what are the words that you think are related with or are associated with mystery? What do you think? I can already see students typing in yes, detective, very well. Good job, students. Secret, yes. Keep on typing. Come on. I'm so proud of you. Well done, students. 10 more seconds, okay? Good job. Absolutely right. You all have given correct answers. Now let's read out together. Make a note of it and write all these words in the chat box. Without fail, I am already trusting you with this that everybody is writing these words in chat. Search, unknown. Fantastic.
दिस इज अ मास्टर वर्ड म्हणजे थोडं क्रेझी कूल सिक्रेट पझल हाईड डिस्ट्रक्टिव्ह सॉल्व शॅडो स्काय रिडल्स शो सर्च unknown
You guys are really, really quick. Now let's keep that energy going, okay? Before we move on to a new activity, I want to share a quick fact with you, okay? And it is also presented on your screen, so you all can read along. Did you know that the word quiz, we play a lot of quizzes, right? So the word quiz actually started as a prank. Did you all know that? So basically, in the 18th century, a Dublin theatre owner made a bet that he would introduce a new word into the English language within just 48 hours. Imagine that. He paid people to write quiz all over the city. Pretty cool, right? Yes. So if you know more such facts, can you all type it in the chat box? Is it possible for everyone to type in any of the facts, interesting facts that you know in the chat box? Come on, everybody, let's go. Perfect. Okay, students, now let's get ready to flex those creative muscles with our emoji sentences challenge. What do you think is going to happen here? Yes, emoji sentence challenge. The word emoji, what does it tell you? Do you know any emojis? Can you put in all the emojis in the chat box that you know? Well done, students. Now here's how it works. I'm going to share you a sequence of emojis. Alright, I'll be showing you a sequence of emojis and your task is to develop a sentence that describes them. Okay? Or if at all you could frame any sentence, any statement, thinking or looking at that emoji. Alright? It can differ from each other because it is going to be your own sentence. Alright? Let's see the first one and you'll get a kick of it. What is this sentence? What possibly the sentence could be? What is there? What are these two emojis? What do you think it is? Come on, frame sentences and type in the chat box. Okay, don't forget to type in the chat box.
I want to write a book but don't know how to get started. I'm confused about who will publish my book, about ISBN, copyright, printing, dispatch.
And type in the chat box. Okay, don't forget to type in the chat box. Yes, it's a cat. And it's a rocket or it's a space. So what is going on here? What do you think is going on here? Let's see the answer. The cat went to the space. The cat went to space. Now this is something that I frame. So what are your sentences? Okay, it could differ from each other. So you all can type in your own sentences. Let's see the next one. Come on. There's an elephant and there's a tree. So what do you frame? What can you frame here? Keep on typing. What can be the possible sentence for these two emojis on your screen? Come on, everybody, give words. Okay, now this activity is very interesting. I know that everybody is going to love this. Okay, here is how it works. I'll ask you for different types of words. Okay, to fill in the blank. For example, a noun or verb or an adjective or anything as such. Okay, you will have to type your suggestions in the chat box, and I will try to fill them into our story. All right. Has everybody understood? Okay, I'll repeat the instruction again for you. Once again, I'll ask you for different types of words like nouns, verbs, or adjectives, or anything as such in the chat box. You have to type your suggestions, and I will try to fill those words in our story. And we will say beautiful sentences, okay? So you have to be as creative as possible. Can we start? Can we begin? Let's go. Here is the first one. The dash dragon decided to dash at the dash. Whatever, as crazy as you can be with this statement, but make sure it has to be relevant as well. Okay? So the first blank has to be an adjective. The second one, verb, and the third blank, a noun. What do you think we can frame here? Come on, keep on typing your answers, everyone. Good job. Well done. Perfect. Now let's see what do we have here. The sparkling dragon decided to dance in the bathtub. You see how easy that was? We added an adjective, we added a noun, we added a verb. Yes, everything is going to be like this. So you have to be as creative as possible in the chat box. Okay, let's begin. The dash squirrel found a dash full of dash. In the first blank, you have to add an adjective. In the second blank, you have to add a noun. And the third blank, plural noun. Come on, what do you think is going to be? What kind of sentence can you frame? If it is possible for you, I want you to type in the entire sentence with your answers. Okay, with your set of answers. Come on, keep on typing, everyone. Come on, everybody, let's go. Great job. Now see what sentence we have framed here. A playful squirrel found a treasure chest full of diamonds. You see how beautiful sentence has been framed here? Yes, good job, everyone. Let's see what we have next. Now you have 4 things to fill. Dash wizard cast spell to turn dash into dash. The dash wizard cast a spell to turn dash into dash dash. So the first blank you have to fill an adjective. In the second blank, noun. The third blank, adjective again. And the fourth blank, plural. So take your time, think about it, and put in your answers. Come on. I trusted you. You got this. What do you think it is going to be? Come on, everyone. Send me all your adjectives, all your nouns, and all of the nouns. Okay, I see wise for the wizard. Perfect. Cat for the noun, alright. Purple for the adjective, and balloons for the plural noun. Now let's get this together and see what kind of sentence we frame. Let's move on to our next session, that is our Google form. Students, you exactly know what we do, right? I'm going to share a Google form link with you in the chat box.